Oh, yeah, a little smoky. Not bad since it's been 11 years since it ran.
Huh?
A little smoky. Especially since it's been 11 years since it ran last.
I can barely see it.
Hi everyone, this is Melanie, my husband Neal, and our son Decker. And that's Bella, our dachshund. We are a normal Canadian family who has chosen to live a non-normal life on the ocean for the past 15 years. Join our family as we restore our Ferrocement schooner Kiva, journey around Vancouver Island, and get ready to explore the world.
Slow it down a little bit. It's trying to catch, but it's not catching.
Okay, try that.
Nope.
Okay, we're at like quarter throttle.
Okay, take it almost straight up and down.
Okay, it's not quite straight up and down.
Now remember, if it starts ripping up high, just slow it down on the throttle.
Yeah, I'll slow it down slowly. Oh, I wanted to.
Okay, slow it down some.
Try that. Yeah, there's water. I don't know if it's enough.
Good boil, right? Fills up with the
Is it air and water?
air, water, and exhaust.
Yeah, it's not like a stream from a hose. It's more like a spray.
Yeah, well, it fills up with it.
There, I think we're in now. We were neutral. Now he's in reverse. Oh, we're smoking it out here. There is a lot of power in that motor.
There's something coming out of it still?
Yeah, there's still some smoke and, well, I don't know if there's soot, I can't tell, but there's definitely smoke.
Okay, so you know. So 60 and 61 blend.
Yep. Got some wash. Okay, watch the buoy. Okay. Kicked a little wash, a little smoke. This is a powerful motor. Wow. Oh, forward again. Hey. You're at the end of our tether there. Oh, fun. Okay, just warning you. Are you still in gear?
No, neutral.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm
Everything should be about 45, 50. We don't have forward reverse indicator lights mounted yet, so it's a matter of listening to the motor, which pretty much every boat we've owned has been listening to the motor to guess which direction you're in. One of the boats we had, you had to run downstairs to check the prop to make sure the silly thing had stopped moving to know that you were indeed in neutral. We are closer to going traveling. Neal has been waiting so barely patiently all day to do this. It's killing him not to be heading out of here and going for a cruise. Now we're in reverse. Oh, yeah, a little smoky. Ha! Not bad since it's been 11 years since it ran.
Huh?
A little smoky. Especially since it's been 11 years since it ran last.
I can barely see it.
Can we have neutral, please?